Okay, a box contains some tarts. All of the tarts are either strawberry or lemon. There are 3 times as many strawberry tarts as lemon tarts. 20% of the strawberry tarts are large, 30% of the lemon tarts are large. All of the other tarts are small, and there are 217 small tarts. And we are asked how many large strawberry tarts there are in the box. Okay, let's get this pen working. So large strawberry tarts, that's what we're after. Okay, so we're going to draw a box for strawberry. We're going to draw a bar, for lemon. And let's say I start with the lemon because that's sort of going to be my base unit, isn't it? Because I'm this part here, I'm comparing strawberry to lemon. Okay, so strawberry to lemon, let's say that's going to be the size of my bar. Well, if that's how many lemon tarts I have, then I need to draw 3 of those for strawberry. Okay. All right, so imagine I've drawn that. Then I look at this information. Right, I'm dealing in percentages here. And particularly the 30%, it would be very convenient if this was divided into 10 parts. That would make it much easier, wouldn't it? Then I could represent my 30%. So I can divide this into 10 parts and these into 10 parts each as well. But because I don't really fancy doing that and making it look reasonable, I'm going to, instead of, for example, with the strawberry tarts, instead of dividing 3 parts into 10, I am going to divide 10 parts. I'm going to make 10 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I would rather divide 10 parts into 3. Okay. I'm just trying to show you some of the practical aspects of drawing these things and how you might start to draw a bar and then just completely change your mind as to how to do it. Obviously, with experience, you're going to recognize a type of question and have a good idea of how you're going to draw that. But other times you're just going to draw the information you're given and see where you go. All right, so that's 30 parts there. And if I've got 30 parts there, I need 10 parts here. So let's do this. And then there's an extra third there. So there we go. So 3, 6, 9, and 10. In fact, let's mark that in. So 30 parts and 10 parts. Okay, so far so good. So that, oh no, we haven't captured that information yet. I lied. Right. But we are told 20% of the strawberry tarts are large and 30% of the lemon tarts are large. Well, 20% of 30 is 6. So we're going to shade in 6 of these. So these are large. Okay, and 30% of the lemon tart. So that's 3 here. Okay, so these are large. And if those are large, I don't really need to put this in, but it's obviously self-evident. But just for the sake of things, these must be small, as here. Okay. Right, so we've captured that information, we've captured that information. We are told that all of the other tarts are small. Yes, we've put that in as well. And that there are 217 small tarts. Okay, so this model now represents, excluding the shaded in part, 217. So hopefully you can see that if I divide 217 by the number of parts remaining, that should give me a value for each part. So how many parts are there? Well, there must be 24 here and 7 here. So that gives me a total of 31 parts. So 217 divided by 31 gives me 7. So each of these parts, okay, each of these has a value of 7, and I could write 7 in every single one, but I'm not going to. Okay, so what can I do? Right. Well, let's go back and find out what I'm asked, because I'm asked how many large strawberry tarts there are in the box. So that is this bit here, large strawberry tarts. That is our question. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 7, that gives us 42. All right, so that's 42, and that is our answer. Okay, so quite a simple problem. There's a variety of ways you might have drawn this, and it depends on your drawing. It depends on whether you've got plain paper, squared paper, how big the squares are, and so on. But hopefully this makes sense. Thanks very much.